was repeatedly acknowledged in UK and Ireland that I was wasting my time because no one had the intellect or the wherewithal or the expertise about my field of expertise. The subject matter: mental health and psychological assessment of male going through family breakdown. At least they were honest enough. And they knew me. I was quite well known on radio, TV, and in social circles and academic circles. Here, I'm a nobody because everybody's smarter than I. Our US PhD is a worthless sheet of toilet paper. Actually worse, because you can actually wipe your ass with a sheet of toilet paper. Most of the PhDs I came across cannot